Welcome. My name is Jayantilal Patel. You are welcome to my YouTube, Gems Khajana. Gems means jewel. Jewel means wealth. And Khajana means treasure. Right? So I am talking about the wealth creation, wealth treasures. Right? So you are requested to continue viewing this my YouTube from beginning to end, and you are requested to put your comments regarding your liking or your offer your future demand regarding my coming YouTube channels. And you can subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon. So in the future, whatever my new YouTube videos are coming, you can have first on your knowledge, right? So in this my channel, James Khajana, I am going to share with all of my viewer. My viewers are a student, a housewife, a mom nurturing the baby or taking care of elders or retired personnels, a low educated, low income earning personnels, and any person you want to grow the side income, side hustles to achieve the side income from home in your on office from your uh, spare times, right? So this is my first attempt, and I think you will like to earn a huge amount of money if you follow this my new YouTubes, as well as you learn and masterize them, and you can expand your earning potential by following me, right? So now see, eh, I am sharing with you the tricks or some ideas which can be followed from home in your spare times, and it doesn't require more investment. You have laptop, a computer, your internet connectivity, and smartphone, either smartphone. You can use this instrument to uh, join some affiliate marketing programs which are genuine, real, and the really paying good amount. So you can join this, and I will discuss in later videos regarding which affiliate marketings are you can join or something. And see, I will teach you how to set a smart goal and how to achieve them. I will teach you how to advertise your affiliate marketing affiliate marketing links to vast people of the social media. And so during this, I am going to exploit everything to you to enhance your earning potential. Now see, people are living their lives as usual. That is called a comfort zone. In comfort zone, the people are uh, feeling safe and feel they are safe, feeling safe, and they feel in control of the situation, but really they are not safe because they are just getting their needs, no nothing more than their needs, right? They just pay their bills from comfort zone, working in the comfort zone, right? So if some person comes out from the some comfort zone. Then there is a next zone starts, is a fear zone. When fear zone, what happens? The persons are fearing that I will fail, I do not know how to do, I do not know salesmanship, I do not know how to advertise it, and what the other people will say, and I have no confidence in myself to do it this, right? So this we from comfort this fear zone, some people have to go beyond that. That is learning zone. In learning zone, see, there are challenges, dealing with the new challenges and problems, and gain the new skills and experience regarding this happening or their skills, and expanding the comfort zone of yourself. So this is beyond that, is a growth zone is there. In growth zone, what happens? You can achieve the objects of your life, right? You can set your new goals, you can find the purpose of your life, you can turn your dreams into reality, and your self confidence enhance, and you may go towards the financial freedom, your wealth creation, wealth treasure, you will guard the wealth treasures, right? So this population, out of 100% of the population, 98 peoples of the person, 98% of the peoples are prefer to say stay in safe zone, because they do not want to take any risk, and they live the life with a minimum available facility, right? But those who 2% or are crossing these boundaries of comfort zone and go to the growth zone, they will achieve a huge potential of chasing their dreams. Their confidence is increased, their happiness is increased, their in spite of getting most out of the life, and they live the a exceptional happy life, right? So this is this is one thing that everybody has to try to leave the comfort zone and try to progress or move towards the growth zone, right? So, and see, something is, great things are never happen from comfort zone, right? You have to come out one day or another day from the comfort zone, and then you can achieve something, right? And there is one another proverb, there is a no gain without pain, right? So you have to do something to achieve something, and to achieve something you have to have a smart goal. Smart goal is that is, you have to plan something, you have to execute something, you have to know how to advertise something, how to do this. I will teach you in detail that how to advertise, how to communicate, how to share your affiliate links, how to use your social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagrams, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. I will teach you how to prepare a YouTube also. But see, this everything requires some patience, repetitions, learning attitude. So this is required, and so good. This something great thing is not happen in a day, right? So it was one another proverb that Rome was not built in a day. So it was taken some many years to develop a kingdom of Rome, right? So similarly, a great wealth treasure is not built in a day or two. So they have to persistency, they have to thinking, planning, even some huge time investment, and small capital investment, that is which we are using for our some bad habits such as tobacco chewing, or such as wasting our time on YouTube, or wasting our time on WhatsApp and Facebook for non-productive work, and this and other things, that is wasting time and money in other productive work, right? So in this channel, YouTube channel, this James Khajana, I will be keeping you well empowered to earn some money in the coming days, and my next video will be in the next week. So please uh, subscribe my channel, and please ring the bell icon, and give your comments, either you like or not like, what other type of suggestions you want to be changed by me in the next video, or you can share this my channel to your circle, your friends, your colleagues, your family, and spread my channel. So I will in the next and video, I will come up with one another good idea how to earn money from home in our spare time. And see, there are so many side hustles or earning from home opportunities are there. So it is not to worry. I will teach you from A to Z, from scratch to success. So I assure you that I will always come, and I will be a guide, moderate, monitor you. I will help you. I will I help you to stand up and have your goal you achieve in short time. So thank you. Okay, bye, see you.